What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your boy Miguel here, back at you with another knife unboxing video. Today I'm super excited about this one. We're going to be unboxing an Ontario knife here. This is going to be the Ontario Model 1, Ontario Wrap Model 1. This is a very known knife, definitely very popular. This knife is made in Taiwan, right? And again, I mean, this knife is very well known, very popular, and it wasn't part of my arsenal up until now. So I'm excited to unbox it, add it to my collection, also use it for comparison during future reviews as well. So without further ado, we're gonna go ahead and look into the box here. Let's see what we have inside. All right, I'm gonna crack open the box here. All right, and it comes in a nice bubble wrap right here like that. Nothing else in the box, so we're gonna go ahead and put that over to the side here in frame so you guys can see what that looks like. And then right out of the bubble wrap pouch, boom, there it is, guys. I got it in all black right here. All right, this is the Ontario Wrap Model 1. This thing is it's big, right? This thing is on the larger size for sure. So let's go ahead and without further ado, open it up. Look at that. Bam. That is one big boy right there. Look at that. That is definitely a big chunker, larger than most of the other knives that I have. The Model 1 is going to be the bigger one, right? There is a Model 2. I'll show you that in a second. I got that one as well and unbox it in the channel also. It is Thumbstud opening right here, right? And look at that. That drop action is, see, a little bit of practice. Boom, there it is. The drop action is very nice. Can I reverse flick it? I'm not sure. Maybe with a little bit of practice at some point. I don't know. You guys let me know. Maybe during the review. It is proving to be a little bit challenging here right off the bat. Right, but again, I'll practice with it, definitely carry it during a couple of weeks. You guys already know how we do in the channel. I'll carry it for a couple of weeks, come back and do a full review, right? Give you all my impressions and everything on it during a comprehensive review. Taking a look here at the blade, tip is very center right there. These are G10 black scales, right? It is a Thumbstud deployment, okay? Looking at a satin finish Aus 8 blade here, all right? Very nice. Got the Ontario Knife Co. logo on one side. It says Taiwan on the other side, right? Take a look right there. Yeah, and again, this is the Model 1. Looking at the Amazon posting here for this guy, we're looking at $34.91, so about $35, right? It is on a nice discount right now for about 28%, which is very nice. Links for these will be in the description, guys. They are affiliate links, so they do help out the channel quite a lot when you use them, right? So, but that is totally up to you. Yeah, not a bad price for a very popular knife, and it has around 3,184 5-star reviews. So this thing is solid. I mean, I can't wait to EDC this knife and just carry it and you know, start doing some daily tasks with it and to see how it does. I mean, right off the bat, I mean, my whole hand can grip the handle. I got a good portion still left of the handle, so if you have bigger hands, that's gonna be no issue, right? There's no forward choil here, although there is space if you do want it to grab, you know, middle finger here, right? Like that. It's up to you. It is a liner lock. All right, so we got a liner lock going on. The tip by default is tip down, right? It's carrying, the clip is carrying tip down like that. It is reversible though, so if you want to put the pocket clip here, tip up, this is what I would do, right? I would just move the clip over to this side. You're able to do so. It is also reversible, so if you're left-handed and you want to put it on the other side, right, either way you have the holes needed, you know, in all the right places. It looks like if you were to do it, so the way it comes out of the box, even with the tip down pocket clip, it is not a deep pocket carry. It looks like you still have a portion still showing, like about that much showing out of your pocket, because of the way this pocket clip is designed. Even if you put it on this side, I think you have the same issue. You have about that much, yeah, about that much showing out of your pocket. That might be a downside to those of you who like to deep carry. I mean, that is totally up to you. I mean, I'm just, this thing fires like crazy. I love the acoustics on it, right? Let's do some quick comparisons. And by the way, I did mention I have the Wrap Model 2. So this is the Ontario Wrap Model 2. Right here it is for comparison. This is the smaller brother, right? And yeah, let's definitely take a look at those two, because there's quite a significant size difference right there between those two. So I unboxed this guy in the channel as well. If you haven't seen that video, it's going to be on a card up here somewhere. Definitely, you know, if you're looking for a you know, bigger knife, right, if there are no laws in your state about blade size, you might want to grab the bigger one. If you are probably having to abide by some sort of local laws with blade size, then maybe the smaller brother, the Model 2, is going to be the way to go for you. But there they are side by side. Again, Ontario Wrap Model 1, Ontario Wrap Model 2. All right, let's put that one to the side. Let's see how it compares to another knife, like let's say the Sencut Crawley. Right, still bigger than the Sencut Crawley, quite bigger as a matter of fact. Yeah, especially in the handle area here. The blade size might be about the same, honestly. It's just the handle, right? The handle is just so much longer. It gives you so much more to hang on to. Here it is next to the Sencut Saxi, and again, same deal here, right? The blade length might be about the same, perhaps a little bit smaller on the Model 1, but the handle is just so much bigger, right? Handle is definitely that much bigger than the two Sencut Crawley and Saxi models right there. But yeah, there you go for quick size comparisons. That way you can kind of get an idea next to those other two knives that we have already unboxed in the channel. By the way, I'm carrying these two as we speak so that I can do a review in the channel. So if you'd like to see that, definitely make sure to like and subscribe. Same thing for this guy, right? If you'd like to see a review video on the Ontario Wrap Model 1, it is going to be in the channel in about a week or two. I'm going to carry it, of course. You guys already know the drill. I'm going to gather some feedback, right? Use it daily to be able to make sure I get some experience with it. That way I can go ahead and come back with some valuable you know, feedback and review for you guys. Very comprehensive overall review with my experience. There is a Lanyard hole right there, so if you are into that, it's going to be in the back as well. But yeah, other than that, again, G10 handles. We have a Aus 8 blade, satin finish. This knife is made in Taiwan, and I'm telling you, this Model 1 is quite like on the bigger side. There's some jimping right here as well for your thumb, so that's very, very nice for some forward cuts, right there. So that's very, very convenient. By the way, guys, a lot of people keep asking in the comments, what are these things right here in the top left corner of your videos, right? Those King of Hearts and Ace of Spades. All right, those guys have been hanging out up there over the last couple of videos in the channel. But what are they, or what really are they, right? So just gonna give you guys a quick overview. I'll be making a separate video on these, but just so you know, links will be in the description for these. These are fidgety pocket toys, if you will, or pocket coins. Of course, this channel is all about EDC, right? So this will be a fidgety pocket coin, if you will, something that you get a chance to play around with in your pocket, right, alongside with you know, all the other things that you carry on a daily basis. And this is what they do, right? Listen to this sound. Right, if that's not satisfying, I don't know what is, but I can see myself doing this over and over again and never getting tired of that sound. Check out this guy. Let me swap hands. I am right-handed. All right, King of Hearts. All right, this one is like a rose gold. This is like a gold. This one is all in silver, right? Well, you can do it both-handed. So how about that, all right? But again, if you haven't checked these out, guys, these are very addicting. I'm glad I have two of them. I got this one originally. My wife ended up taking it away from me because she liked it so much. So she ended up keeping the Ace, and then I ordered me the King of Hearts here so I could have, you know, a little bit of a variety, right? And yeah, they've been in the top corner there. If you haven't already, check these out. I mean, they are super, super addicting to open and close. They're nice. Another addition to your EDC, right? Something that you will carry on a daily, right? You could fidget with them, right? It can help you with anxiety and things like that. This is what the back looks like on both of them, right? And again, they're held by magnets. Without going too much in detail, those magnets right there are doing all the work. And that's where you get the awesome clicking sound every time you open and close. Again, links for these in the description, you guys, so check them out. Let me know what you think. All right, and yeah, add them to your EDC collection, because I mean, they are totally worth it. They are super awesome. And if you made it this far into the video, you are the real MVP. Thank you so much for all your love and support. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time, guys. Peace.